In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to cash out Grubhub. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Grubhub offers an instant cash out feature within the Grubhub for Drivers app. So, in order to do this, all that you have to do is open the latest version of the Grubhub for Drivers app. In there, you will be able to switch over to the Earnings tab and see how much you've made in the past few days or the past week. And if you look usually at the bottom of this page, you will be able to find the option related to cashing out. So as you can see on this example here, on this account, $500 is the maximum that you can cash out each day. Keep in mind that this number might differ depending on your account age and the features that you have, but regardless, all that you have to do to actually cash out is to tap this button at the bottom. Immediately upon tapping cash out, you will be able to go through this process, so you can include how much you would like to cash out from the amount that is available to you on your account. So in this example, you can cash out up to $500 daily. You can include the amount and choose to which account it is going to go to. So the requirements is going to be first, a verified bank account. So you will need to have a verified bank account set up for direct deposit to use this feature, and the waiting period. For security reasons, instant cash out may not be available for 3 days after your bank account information has been verified or updated. So if you had your bank account verified prior to requesting this, it should be already set up and good to go. But if you just recently added the bank account, then sadly you will have to wait. Keep in mind that there will be a processing fee that you can see associated at the bottom, but regardless, if you are still satisfied and you would like to proceed, just tap on cash out. This will allow you to instantly cash out the money according to the bank account that you selected, and you will be able to receive it from Grubhub. I hope I was able to help you on how to cash out Grubhub. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.